And now, your Storm Tracker forecast with meteorologist Ray Foreman.
Southbound lanes of I-35 are back open near Ardmore, Oklahoma after a boulder fell onto the road. Authorities say the large boulder fell from Arbuckle Mountain and several smaller rocks followed it onto the interstate. The boulder and at least one vehicle collided, and that did result in some minor injuries, but once again, that is cleaned up. You forget that they have mountains there, but they do. Along I-35, getting closer to Texas, there is a small mountain range there. As far as our weather here, we are looking at scattered showers and storms once again. The forecast for the overnight period, though, we are going to continue with these scattered showers, mainly south and east of the Joplin area. We do have severe, or not severe, flash flood warnings in effect, and that is for areas along and south of I-44. All these counties here, flash flood warnings until 11 o'clock. So these are about to expire. The exception would be into parts of northwest Arkansas, where this one does not expire until 3 o'clock, and also across northeast Oklahoma. This is an aerial flood warning. It's a little different simply because we don't see the water rushing in so quickly and overtaking roads, so that's why these are handled a little bit differently. But nonetheless, still some flooding happening. We've had several inches of rainfall today, and that's why we've seen that flooding, those flood warnings be issued. Now, we do have some scattered showers still to the south and east of Joplin, a few isolated showers in northeast Oklahoma, but for the most part, I think we're starting to see some dry air come in. We may still have enough moisture for some drizzle during the overnight period, but most of the heavy rain now back across Berry County, Lawrence County, McDonald County, and it's almost ready to exit that area into northwest Arkansas as well, and we'll all see that dry air coming in during the overnight period. You see the bigger swirl right here. This is low pressure. It's making its way now into north central parts of Arkansas, and dry air is trying to come in and wrap in behind that. The one exception, you noticed a few little showers right here. There is actually a boundary. It's a weak cold front that's going to make its way into the area overnight tonight into tomorrow, and that's what may be enough to produce some lift to get the patchy drizzle in here anyway. As we go towards the overnight period, by about 2 o'clock, I think it's mainly just going to be light rain right along the Arkansas border. Then even that tapers off. As we get towards tomorrow morning, though, we could still see a few isolated showers east of Joplin, closer to Carthage, and actually probably closer to Mount Vernon going into the afternoon. Much of southeast Kansas, northeast Oklahoma, you'll see the sun tomorrow. I don't think we'll see much in the way of sunshine until afternoon as we go into Joplin and northwest Arkansas, so I think we're going to hang on to the clouds for much of Missouri tomorrow until the afternoon hours. Forecast for tomorrow, though, we are looking at rain early, a high temperature around 80 degrees, north winds at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. The extended forecast, 90 and dry on Saturday. We deserve that. 90 also on Sunday, and going into next week, more of the same. We're going to continue with the warm conditions, highs near 90, lows near 70, and then by this time next week, we'll be saying, where'd the rain go?
We need rain.
I know, a week from now. I've often heard
it's always, one thing or another.
I know. Well, I've often heard you're never more than 10 days away from a drought, and that would be the case here in the 4 states, wouldn't it?